Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super important: how to check if a company is FDA registered in 2025. If you're into health products, supplements, or medical devices, knowing this can save you from potential risks and ensure you're dealing with trustworthy sources. The FDA, or Food and Drug Administration, is the watchdog for food, drugs, and more in the US, and their registration means a company meets certain standards. But with scams on the rise, let's break this down step by step so you can verify it yourself. First off, why does this matter? In 2025, FDA regulations are tighter than ever, especially with new digital tools for transparency. A registered company has gone through verification processes, which can protect your health and wallet. So, grab a notepad, and let's get started. Step 1. Head straight to the official FDA website. That's fda.gov. Avoid any shady lookalikes. Once you're there, look for the For Industry or Databases and Resources section. This is your gateway to reliable info. Step 2. Navigate to the FDA's Establishment Registration Database. It's updated regularly, and in 2025, you might find enhanced search features like AI-powered filters. Type in the company's name, address, or FAI number if you have it. The FAI, or Facility Establishment Identifier, is like a unique ID for FDA-registered facilities. Step 3. Hit search and review the results. You'll see if the company is listed as active and registered. Double-check the details. Make sure the address matches what you know. If it's not there, that's a red flag. Also, remember, FDA registration doesn't mean the product is approved, but it's a key starting point. Step 4. For extra verification, especially in 2025, check for any public alerts or recalls on the FDA site. They have a dedicated section for that. If you're dealing with imports, look into the FDA's Foreign Establishment Database too. One quick tip: if you're unsure, contact the FDA directly through their contact form or helpline. It's always better to be safe than sorry. There you have it, a straightforward way to check if a company is FDA registered. By doing this, you're taking control of your choices and staying informed. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.